We're gonna go over macro keys and what you can do with it. In this video, we're gonna show you how to turn one or two of your macro keys into a speed key for cash tendering. So let's begin. We're gonna go to P mode. We're gonna go to function key, which is number 3. And this time we want to focus on macro key. So second option, cash. And now it's asking you to click or hit the macro key that you want to adjust or program. I'm going to hit macro 1, which is my blue key here. In this screen, I can rename the macro key, which will show up on your receipt or report or on your display. If you don't want to change that, hit cash and move to the following screen. Now I'm going to show you guys how to turn this key into a $20 speed tendering, cash tendering key. So in that case, I'm going to hit 2, a double 0, and one more 0, so I can tell the register this is $20. I'm going to hit cash, and then I'm going to hit macro. And my programming is done for that. So I'm going to show you guys how that works. I'm going to go back to register mode. First, I need to go back to program mode screen. Somebody has just paid $15 and they gave me a $20 bill. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit this macro 1 key, which will show you $20, and my cash change would be $5. So as you can see, the cash drawer opened up by itself without you having to go to cash or input any extra digits.